dangerous. So we want to really pay attention to what's going on and obey any of the alerts that they give you in the stadium. The NCAA rule is that if there is a lightning strike detected within 8 miles, they have to stop the game for a minimum of 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes resets every time there's another lightning strike detected within that 8-mile radius. So, it could be a long night tonight, just depending on how that goes. But certainly for tonight and for tomorrow, you've got soaking rain and also very windy conditions tomorrow, too. So let's take a look at a little poetry this morning. We'll take a look at the bright side, as they say, right? The weather could be worse. Here you go. I've been hard at work all night in an abandoned science hall. I'm trying to make the rain fall only when the Trojans have the ball. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. But we scientific types, we like to come up with these crazy things, right? And so why not? Just kind of have it rain when they're trying to throw it. And it's like, do you remember there was a game back in the 70s when it was raining so hard and all the students started chanting, "Era, stop the rain! Era, stop the rain!" It was Era Parsegian, of course, and he did. The rain stopped, and Notre Dame won that game. So maybe that will happen today too. Marcus Freeman, Marcus, stop the rain. Anyway, from WNDU Studios, you can see the campus here over on the left. It's beautiful. We've got these sort of mix of sunny skies out there, blue skies and clouds. The clouds are becoming more prominent, 63 degrees currently, and a south-southwest wind at 10 miles an hour. Up along the Lake Michigan shoreline, mostly cloudy as we look out to the west. And again, all of this is what's moving in our direction right now. Excuse me. No temperature showing, but St. Joe is reporting 63 degrees this morning. Take a look at our live radar. We're going to zoom in here a little bit, and you can see all of Michiana for the most part clear. We have a few sprinkles down to the south, also a few coming into Berrien County. We showed you just coming in off of the Lake Michigan shoreline now. And as we widen out just a little bit and look over to the west, you can see this first batch rode up the shoreline into western Michigan. But we're really keeping an eye on what's developing down here, southwest of Chicago, because that's what's likely to be coming into our area over the next couple of hours. Take a look at the Notre Dame home game here. Kickoff is at 7:30 this evening. It is on NBC, Channel 16. During your tailgate phase, you'll be right around 70 degrees as temperatures begin to warm up this morning. And you saw with some sunshine, that helps too. About a 40% chance of seeing shower or thunder shower as we go through the morning and early afternoon hours. By kickoff, 68 degrees. But look at this percentage, jumps to 80% chance of rain at kickoff. 100% chance of rain by halftime, and the same thing after the game. 62 degrees by the end of this one, but 80 to 100% chance you're going to get wet. So make sure you take the appropriate apparel with you. Lots of rain gear out there. A small umbrella is okay, but not a big one like a golf umbrella, because it would obviously would restrict people's view. About 1.5 inches is what we expect in terms of rainfall here in the South Bend area through tomorrow. Look at these totals along the shoreline. 2.5 to 3 inches of rain. Wow, this is really going to come down hard starting tonight. Here you can see the double barrel cold front that's out there to the west of us. And as that begins to develop, it'll start drawing in all of this warm Gulf moisture coming up. And that's where the moisture is really coming from, out ahead of the front. This will eventually come through, but look at it continues all day Sunday before it finally clears out and we get sunny skies on Monday. Taking a look at the timing here, a little closer view of Future Track, you can see this first wave coming through around 10 or 11 o'clock this morning. That clears out. We probably get hit and miss showers and thunder showers for a while. This is by 3 o'clock. But look at game time here. We're going to tee this off at 7:30. By 9 o'clock, this would be probably right around halftime. It could be pouring rain. And again, remember, you could have a lightning delay out there, so be patient tonight. But once it starts raining, it's just going to keep raining all night tonight through the morning hours tomorrow. All day, tomorrow, soaking rain, one wave after another. That last one comes through, and then it turns sharply colder on the back of that, with these temperatures dropping into the low 40s by early Monday morning. There you can see the 10-day forecast today and tomorrow. First alert weather days because of the rain, the wind, the lightning, all of that. And again, sharply colder starting tomorrow. And that high temperature tomorrow, you notice, is the same as the low temperature tonight, which tells you that it isn't going to warm up at all tomorrow. It's just going to keep getting colder. So we are going to be more autumn-like here in our weather forecast for a change. And a lot of people have been waiting for the change of seasons. Well, it looks like we're going to get it. We just didn't want it to have it on Notre Dame USC weekend.
I know. And I didn't get tickets to tonight's game, so I'll be cozied up.